Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shocks. Next, identify your alternator's location. It's usually on the lower front of the engine. Before starting, ensure you have the right tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches, and a new alternator. This preparation saves time and ensures a smooth process. Once prepared, use a serpentine belt tool to release tension from the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connections attached to the alternator, usually one main power wire and a smaller connector. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. Be mindful of any tight spaces and ensure all fasteners are accounted for during removal. Now, carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets. Align the bolt holes and hand-tighten the bolts before fully securing them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wires, ensuring they are tight and properly seated. Double-check all connections to prevent future issues. This step is crucial for the new alternator to function correctly and safely. With the new alternator in place, carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly seated on all pulleys. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Start the engine and check for proper charging system operation, indicated by the battery light turning off. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your newly repaired vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.